Skills are tags that you can add to each Tempo team member only if you have Capacity Planner installed. These tags are used to identify certain competencies of the team members, such as certificates, knowledge of specific apps and tools, or soft skills. You can even add skills to generic resources. So why use skills? Essentially, they're to help you find resources. You can filter by skills in Capacity Planner when you're looking for certain employees to do work. You can create the skills that are used in your organization if you're a Tempo team administrator, or if you have the Manage Team permission in a full access team permission role. It's useful if someone in your human resources or people team creates skills, since they have access to all employee information at the organization. Here's how to do it. From the Settings panel, click Skills under Staff. This page will be blank if you're just starting out with Tempo. To add a new skill, click Add Skill up at the right. Enter a skill name, such as JavaScript, and click Save. And the skill is added to this list. Click the icons at the right end of a skill to either edit its name or delete it. Now this skill can be assigned to a Tempo team member, including a generic resource, at any time, from within a Tempo team or from the Resource Planning view in Capacity Planner.